For writ of warrant for two reasons, Matt. The post of assistant superintendent of Madrasa Milad needs to be filled up by a selection to be conducted by the West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission. Here, Milad, it was done by the madrasa itself. Second, there is a qualification prescribed in the rules. Milad, the authority selecting the candidate can add certain qualification, but cannot be less as prescribed in the rules. These are the two reasons for which I have.
So it is within the domain of the Madrasa Service Commission.
Not by the madrasa.
The madrasa has done it and appointed
Already. That's what
Malad, for appointment of assistant superintendent or assistant headmaster in a school, Malad, managing committee is the appropriate authority who take prior permission from the district inspector of school. Inspector of school, Malad, in the prior permission indicated the prescribed rules which will be applicable for giving appointment and the proposal giving appointment as assistant superintendent. This is the rules. Malad, while giving the prior permission, Malad, the rules of 1628 GA dated Malad 10th of July 2012. 2 Malad. Yes. District Inspector of School indicated. Malad, with regards.
Just a minute, let me go through. হ্যাঁ ওটা তো দেখলাম
কি দেখাচ্ছে দেখি রুলস নাকি গভর্নমেন্ট
But a prior permission has been issued by the district inspector of school. It is akin to assistant headmaster of a secondary school. So on what
let them complete the submission, then I'll.
Yes.
And this is the rules. 1628 GA 2001 dated 6th of July 2002. Here, everything has been prescribed by the government matter. How to appoint the assistant headmaster.
Any other submission? Whether the candidate has joined?
Yes, approval has already been given by the district inspector of school.
When joined?
2023. Approval was given on 13th of October 2023. Approval of appointment.
Whether the approved selected candidate has been served with a copy of the petition?
Yes, Malad.
Who is representing?
I am representing selected candidate is now the TIC.
TIC or assistant headmaster?
Assistant headmaster in absence of the assistant superintendent of the madrasa. He is acting as the TIC.
Yes. So you are the candidate and you are the school authority. Yes. Any other submission?
But not only that, Malad, he has made many other complaints before the madrasa board.
Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is one of the assistant teacher. Madrasa board, Malad. His complaint was heard and comprehensive report. Malad, result order was passed. So, Malad, if he has any grievance, so Malad, after this order, Malad, he has to challenge this report.
This is not subject matter of challenge in the petition.
But issue is involved that these are the illegalities committed by the assistant superintendent. That was already written.
Any other submission?
So for our Madrasa Service Commission, we are only recruit the teacher. So what is the definition of
teacher and headmaster?
Teacher definition is headmaster.
Headmaster you do not recruit.
Assistant headmaster.
But headmaster you recruit.
Superintendent we recruit superintendent. Not assistant. The definition of
2010 বলছে নিয়ে এসছো আফগান Like Mangal, the only-
So therefore, in terms of rule 2, rule 2:16 post.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, like, if let's say kindly take some at page 26. Now, this is the advertisement based on which recruitment was made. Now, like, the post is headmaster stroke, headmistress stroke, assistant superintendent. This is the post. Therefore, assistant superintendent, according to them, is equivalent to headmaster and headmistress. Now, let they have only referred that by resolution dated so and so they have decided to appoint this.
So why this was not contemporaneously challenged when this notice was issued? After 2 years, you are coming when the
That-
appointment, selection,
that-
everything is complete.
But I did not let
You are the teacher of that school, aspirant of the post.
I was not let participated.
Maybe it's not a question of participation. If there was an anomaly in
I
the
follow your logic. I follow your logic. I could have challenged earlier.
Yes.
Now let
Otherwise, if you are not an aspirant, there is no question. It's not a public interest
I
litigation.
did not participate, so I
Yes, unless until you participate, you do not have any right.
no. So that's why I have sought for quorum. That can be challenged by anyone. If the
Yes.
public was holding by a
Authority, you are challenging the authority.
Yes.
Yes.
Now that's my prayer only. Now let qualification. They have said honors PG with trained and 5 years teaching experience. Single post, direct recruitment. Now let page 27. I have heard their submission, but I have to interpret the rules. Clause 1, let these rules may be called West Bengal Madras Service Commission recruitment, selection, recommendation of persons, appointment, and transfer of post of teachers and non-teaching staffs. Rules 23. Therefore, this is the only rules for appointment of teaching and non-teaching of the madrasa.
Consider
Very
I
vital.
think on page 26,
Very vital.
the nomenclature has been. Kindly come page 26, fourth line from the top. Authorized to notify filling of the post of assistant headmaster, headmistress, assistant superintendent. So post is assistant superintendent.
Assistant headmaster, headmistress, assistant superintendent among the permanent teaching staff.
Yes.
Yes.
But when the
Box,
name of the post, it has been written wrong.
Yes. That is why I'm asking. This is wrong.
Nobody has come forward and saying that
Yes.
no corrigendum was there.
The assistant.
Actually,
In any event, man, that's not the unless man, I can interpret the rules, man, I cannot justify the position. Now, man, this is the rules for recruitment of teachers and non-teaching all. The object is for teaching and non-teaching, which is a requirement of running of a madrasa, will be selected by the commission.
No. On behalf of the Madrasa Service Commission, it has been submitted as a rule which is contained in notification dated 19th April 2023.
Whether they can say that is a government order, like,
No. You are relying upon the rules
yes,
of 9 July 2009 notification.
19th April 2023.
9 July 2009 notification. This one.
in
No,
notification.
like, page 27.
Oh, same rule.
Same.
Yes, yes.
Same rules. Yes.
For all Malay. This now let's the next page. And
The
the act
post
is-
has been defined.
I am coming. Malay.
Next page, bottom, page 28.
It has to be interpreted harmoniously. Malay. I will come to that. Malay. Commission means clause 5. Next page, Malay, page 28. West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission.
See, post means
Post
full-time sanctioned post of madrasa of any following teaching category: headmaster, headmistress, higher secondary,
Any of the
junior
following
madrasa,
teaching
then
category of
superintendent of senior madrasa, assistant teacher against graduate, then the subjects are written. Non-teaching category.
yes. The teaching and non-teaching. These are the posts.
No, consciously, assistant headmaster, assistant superintendent has been excluded from the definition of post.
Malay, these are the posts. Yes, I will follow. Assistant, Malay, can it be? Can it be? That's my point.
Any other point?
Now, let Rule 3 says the qualification. You have to kindly transfer schedule.
Can it be today unsettled the settled position, which was settled in 2023? You are filing a writ petition in 2025. Be reasonable, Mr. Ahmed.
That if it is, if some,
So,
I want to rely on kindly.
that,
This not circulated amongst all the teachers. Petition also signed the same, accepted
yes, so
2023 itself.
on the same day.
that somebody is holding the post having no qualification.
26 dated, my lord.
That's my submission. Consider that.
23.
And the post they have said in terms of advertisement is equivalent. No, no.
affidavit that is filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record.
And the person is discharging the duty of headmaster having no qualification of headmaster. Kindly record that. That is my submission.
No, petitioner is Safiq Ahmed. Huh?
Yes,
Yes.
His name is there.
Person having discharging duties of headmasters.
At by presenting
No, no.
বলছিলাম, কিছু বলিনি। By presenting this writ petition, comma, inter alia, comma, petitioner being an assistant teacher of Kharki Islamia Senior Madrasa. Kharki আলাদা করে Islamia আলাদা separate senior madrasa, not 24 Parganas, has questioned the authority of said madrasa. ওখানে said madrasa করে দিই। Herein after refer to the said madrasa. Questioning the authority of said madrasa in appointing Hafizur Rahman is appointed. Hafizur Rahman in appointing respondent number 7 as assistant superintendent or assistant headmaster?
assistant superintendent.
As assistant superintendent of the said as assistant superintendent বলো তো?
Appointment of kindly record not appointment of my submission it is appointment of this man.
আবার সেন্টেন্সটা পড়ো।
Lordship is recording my submission.
ওভারটোন অ্যামাউন্ট হয়েছে একটা 18%।
As assistant superintendent. Stop. In support of such contention, it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that a recruitment notice was issued on 13th October 2023, wherein post was notified as headmaster / headmistress / assistant superintendent. Stop. According to the petitioner, for recruiting the post of headmaster / headmistress or even assistant superintendent in a madrasa, West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission recruitment within bracket selection and recruitment of persons for appointment and transfer to the posts of teacher and non-teaching staff close bracket rules 2023. Page 27 upon needs to be applied, which is applicable in case of filling up the post of assistant superintendent in a government recognized aided madrasa. Stop. Therefore, it is the specific contention on behalf of the petitioner that said madrasa didn't have the authority to fill up the post on initiating recruitment process. Rather, it was the West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission being the appropriate authority to fill up the post.
And the qualification also.
Stop. It has further been contended that requisite qualification for filling up the post of assistant superintendent as indicated in the relevant recruitment rules has not been adhered to while filling up the post. Next slide. Such contention raised in this writ petition has been opposed by the learned advocates representing the said madrasa, West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission, and West Bengal Board of Madrasa Education as well as state respondents. Next slide. It is submitted on behalf of the respondents that a prior permission was issued with a memo dated 26th September 2023 by the District Inspector of Schools AC South North 24 Parganas permitting the said madrasa authority to fill up the post of assistant headmaster / assistant superintendent following the recruitment rules being memo number 1628-G capital A dated 10th July 2002. Stop. It is submitted that based on such prior permission dated 26 September 2023, said madrasa authority completed the selection process and respondent number 7 was selected as an eligible and respondent number 7 was selected to be appointed in the post of assistant superintendent of the said madrasa, and accordingly he joined the post. When joined?
14th of December 2023.
On 14th December 2023, and same has been approved by the District Inspector of Schools. When approved, but you have stated approval on 13th October 2023. If joined on 14th December 2023, how approval was on 13th October 2023? Panel can be approved.
4th of December, my lord, approval panel was approved by the District Inspector of School. My lord, thereafter, my lord, even letter of appointment was given on 13th of December 2023. Subsequently, my lord, petitioner joined on my lord 14th of this month. But this is
approval কবে
ওই ওই 4/12 বোধ হয় না
this
হ্যাঁ কি বল বাকিটা কেটে দাও and process and panel prepared was approved by the District Inspector of Schools, by the concerned District Inspector of Schools within bracket AC, video memo dated 4th December 2023, and thereafter 4th December 2023. Stop. Subsequently, appointment letter was issued on 13th December 2023. And in terms of the same, respondent number 7 joined the post on 14th December 2023. Stop. Whether the approval of appointment has been granted?
granted by the District Inspector of School.
Yes. Stop. It is further submitted that based on joining of the respondent number 7 after sanction of approval of appointment or after according approval of appointment of the panel, comma, said respondent number 7 has been discharging duty regularly from 14 December 2023. Stop. Next slide. It is submitted on behalf of West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission that it is submitted on behalf of the West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission in reference to Rule 2 within bracket Roman small 16. That the post is defined and post of assistant headmaster, assistant superintendent has been kept outside the purview of the said rules of 2023. Stop. It is further submitted that DI has not made any departure by issuing prior permission dated 26 September 2023, directing the said madrasa authority to follow recruitment rules as issued with a government circular dated 10 July 2002. Stop. On behalf of West Bengal Board of Madrasa Education, it has been submitted that an order was passed on 19th February 2025 touching upon
Lordship, subject to
touching upon the issue relating to recruitment of the post of assistant superintendent in the state madrasa,
It was regarding the complaint of irregularities and defalcation.
relating to recruitment process.
Not recruitment, but regarding the defalcation and other
So
allegations.
that has no
That's
nexus
not-
with the present case. Get it out.
They have
That may be the allegation, but that's
Take it
not
back, take it back, take it back. ফেরত দিয়ে দাও।
only one
Stop.
thing that if you say
Stop. Next paragraph, having considered the respective submissions made on behalf of the parties, it appears that the petitioner is
outside the purview.
one of the assistant teachers of the said madrasa who was aware of the recruitment notice dated 13th October 2023 and who put signature relating to the signature. Why this signature was obtained?
after giving this copy of this memo, madam.
It was intimated to them so that one can apply. হ্যাঁ, কি বলছিলাম? Thirteenth October 2023 on the notice whereby applications were invited by the said madrasa authority from the eligible teachers who could offer their candidature for the post of assistant superintendent of the said madrasa. Stop. Though it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that he did not apply for the said post, therefore he is not stopped from questioning the authority of the said madrasa to fill up the post of assistant superintendent, since said exercise should have been made by the West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission, not by the said madrasa authority. So, however, on placing however, in consideration of the recruitment rules dated recruitment rules of 2023, it appears that the post is defined under rule 2 within bracket small 6 Roman small 16, wherein post of assistant headmasters / assistant superintendent has been kept outside the purview of the said rules, which is required to be followed for filling up the posts, for filling up other posts in
Okay.
madrasa.
Stop. This is beyond the purview.
In addition thereto,
Beyond the purview. Wait, keep this.
recruitment notice was issued by the madrasa inviting applications from the eligible candidates who are working as assistant teacher of the said madrasa on far back on 3rd October 2023. And in spite of being aware of the said recruitment rules, writ petition has been instituted.
It's 13 October.
October.
13th October, not 3rd.
13th কি বললাম 13th? না 13th October 2023. On 11th February 2025, and in the meantime, selection process is concluded and selected person has joined the post and he is working for a considerable period of time.